Hi all, this is David Collins from Aerial Systems Australia. I thought I'd just give you a quick run through and quick unboxing, if you like, of the SWC series of HF antennas. Firstly, the most important thing I need to mention is these are a true broadband antenna. All you basically need is the antenna itself. Connect the coax up to the SO239 here, and then run it down to your transceiver. You do not need a coupler or a tuner. These are true broadband. I actually used one of these at home myself for testing, and I can tell you the VSWR from 2 to 30 megahertz is pretty much below 2 to 1 across the HF band. So that's the first thing I need to mention. The other thing, and the reason these antennas are extremely popular, is they're only about 1.5 kilograms. They're basically just a 2 millimeter diameter piece of stainless steel wire with the loads here, with the ballon. So it makes them extremely easy to install, and visually they're not imposing either. So I've got mine set up as an inverted V. You can see here, I used that. I've got that hooked on a mast. It's just a 5 meter mast. I've got my one on. While I've got this here, I'll also show you something else. You'll see here there's a wing nut with a plastic washer. Excuse me. You can actually run your RG58 through there. It's molded into the ballon housing, and that gives you strain relief. So normally that's connected there. You run it through there. Screw on your wing nut here, and that's strain relief for your coax. So that's it. As I mentioned, it's just a bit of 2 millimeter diameter stainless steel wire here. So it's look, these antennas, there's still plenty of them out there that have been sitting, out in the weather and the environment for 20 years, but certainly they tend to last for 15 years plus. So yeah. So if you're looking for an easy to install antenna, I should probably give you the specs. The 100CS, we put a spec of 3.5 to 30 megahertz on. You will find the VSWR will be fine down to 2 megahertz. It's just the longer one will give you better performance down on the lower frequencies. And we tend to rate our antennas on efficiency as well as the VSWR. And we rate the SWC-100C, the 48 meter version, I should say 34 meter version, 48 meter version, that's the overall length. We rate that from 2 to 30 megahertz. There is actually a 60 meter version as well, which we rate down to 1.8 megahertz. As for power rating, these are designed for 100 watt continuous, and 100 to 150 watt, or 100 watt continuous, probably the 100 to 150 watt data modes like digital voice and such, and 200 to 250 watts PEP. So yeah, I hope this gives you a bit of an idea what the SWC series of antennas is all about. Feel free to contact us at either hfradio.com.au or aerialsystems.com.au if you want to chat further about it. Thank you very much.